Space planning and design. Space planning and design. Space planning and design is an essential aspect of architectural and interior design. It ensures that spaces are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Proper space planning can enhance the quality of life, improve workflows, and even save money by maximizing the use of available space. And the following are some principles of space planning and design. First, functionality. Every space should serve a clear purpose. The functions of the rooms should be identified and supported by the design. For instance, a kitchen should support cooking and dining and storage. Flow. There should be a logical sequence and connection between spaces. And think about how people will move through a space and from one space to another. This is particularly crucial in commercial settings where efficiency and flow can affect productivity. Spaces should be adaptable. As needs change, the space should be able to accommodate those changes. This could mean designing spaces that can serve multiple purposes or can be easily reconfigured. Proportion and scale. The size and proportion of spaces and the objects within them should be harmonious. Furniture and fixtures should fit comfortably and be in proportion with the room size. Lighting. Natural and artificial lighting should be effectively incorporated. Good lighting enhances the mood, functionality, and aesthetics of a space. Ventilation and comfort. Fresh air circulation is vital, and temperature control contributes to the comfort level of a space. Always consider the orientation of a space, the sources of natural ventilation, and the placement of HVAC systems. Safety and accessibility. Spaces should be safe and comply with local building codes. This includes considerations like fire safety and, where applicable, accessibility for persons with disabilities. Storage. Proper storage solutions should be incorporated to reduce clutter and improve organization. Think about the requirements of the inhabitants and design storage that accommodates those needs. Aesthetics. And while the functional aspects of space planning are critical, the visual appeal is equally important. This encompasses color, texture, materials, and overall ambience. Contextual integration. The design should take into account the broader context. And this could be architectural side, it could be the architectural style of neighboring buildings and the natural landscape or cultural preferences. Sustainability. Environmentalist friendly designs, which include energy efficiency, sustainable materials, and designs that have a minimal environmental footprint, are increasingly important in modern space planning. Ergonomics. Spaces and furnishings should support the human body and its movement, ensuring that spaces are comfortable and reduce the risk of strain or injury. Zoning and privacy. Open plan designs are trendy, but it's also essential to zone spaces to allow for privacy when needed. This can be achieved using partitions, screens, or even furniture placement. Harmony and balance. Elements should work together cohesively. Balance doesn't necessarily mean symmetry, but there should be a feeling of equilibrium in the space. Circulation. Proper space planning or proper space around furnishings and fixtures ensures ease of movement. Overcrowded spaces can feel claustrophobic and impede functionality. Workspace design trends, open plan, activity-based working, and more. Now, workplace design has evolved over the years in response to shifts in business priorities, employee needs, technological advancement, and broader cultural movements. Now, Several design, several design trends have shaped modern office environments, and these trends are expected to persist and evolve over the years. Now, we'll be discussing some of the key trends, including open plan offices and activity-based working. The first, open plan offices. Open plan offices encourages collaboration and communication among team members. It offers flexibility, allowing organizations to fit more people in a given space. The cons can be distracting and noisy, leading to reduced productivity for some tasks. Lack of privacy can be a concern. Now, the initial appeal of open plan has somewhat shifted. Companies have started to recognize the downsides and are now trying to find a balance between open spaces and private areas. Activity-based working. Now, activity-based working, ABW, is a design strategy where employees choose from a variety of settings for a variety of workplace activities. This can include focused workstations, collaborative areas, and relaxation spaces. The pros: this provides flexibility, caters to different work styles, and can enhance productivity and job satisfaction. The cons: can be hard to implement without causing confusion or feelings of lack of personal space. Evolution: the future may see even more diversified spaces within the office, catering to a wider range of activities. Biophilic design. This incorporates natural elements like plants, water, natural light, and organic materials to improve well-being, reduce stress, and enhance creativity. Studies suggest that spaces that connect workers to nature can improve productivity and well-being. Technology integration. Modern offices are seamlessly integrating advanced tech solutions, from AI-driven climate control to smart desks and collaborative digital platforms. Wellness-centric spaces, gyms, meditation rooms, and ergonomic furniture are becoming common as employers prioritize employee well-being. Flexible workspaces. In light of the pandemic and the rise of remote work, many companies are incorporating flexible workspaces. This can mean spaces that can be easily reconfigured, or it can refer to co-working or shared spaces. Residential design. Now, a blend of residential and commercial designs refers to residential designs. This creates a more relaxed, homely atmosphere in the workplace, aiming to make employees feel more at ease. Sustainability. Green and sustainable office designs are more than just a trend. As environmental concerns grow, designs incorporate recycled materials, energy-efficient solutions, and designs that reduce waste. Acoustic design. With open plan designs, sound management has become crucial. Acoustic panels, soundproof rooms, and layout design that considers noise travel are vital. Inclusivity and accessibility. Modern workplaces prioritize designs that cater to all employees, including those with disabilities. This means wider hallways, ramps, ergonomic furniture, and more. Before we proceed, kindly take some few seconds to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Kindly do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Also click on the notification button to be notified whenever we release new videos such as this. Click on the notification button to get notified, to be the first to know when we release news videos such as this. Kindly do so within some few seconds. I'm waiting for you to do so if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much. Now we proceed. Relocations, refurbishments, and fit-outs. Relocations. This refers to the process of moving from one place to another. It can involve moving an entire office, facility, or even a residential space. It requires logical planning to ensure that equipment, furniture, and staff or residents move seamlessly. It could be due to various reasons like outgrowing the current space, a desire to be in a more strategic location, or even for financial reasons. Refurbishment. This refers to the process of renovating, updating an existing space to make it more modern, functional, or aesthetically pleasing. Often done when the interior or exterior of a building or room becomes outdated or worn out. Unlike a full renovation, refurbishments typically do not involve major structural changes. Instead, the focus is on cosmetic updates like painting, new flooring, updating fixtures, or replacing old furniture. This can be a cost-effective way to enhance the look and feel of a space without undertaking a complete overhaul. Fit out. This term is most commonly used in the context of commercial properties, particularly offices. It refers to the process of making the interior space suitable for occupation, especially as per the specific needs of the tenant. A fit out can be categorized in several ways. First, shell and core. Basic level, which includes the building's main structure, cladding, and all common areas. And the space inside is left as an empty shell for the tenant to fit out. Category A, fit out. This provides a basic level of finish. This might include raised floors, suspended ceilings, basic mechanical and electrical services. Category B, fit out. This involves transforming the space into a functional office. This would include partitioning, furniture, IT installations, customized installations for business needs, and interior decor. The responsibility for the fit out, whether it's category A or B, may be on the landlord or the tenant, depending on the lease agreement. If you haven't done so yet, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Also, click on the notification button to get notified of our future videos. If you find this video especially helpful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your audience on social media.